Do you know that in the Gĩkũyũ language, to sign something can be gwĩkĩra kĩrore? Gwĩkĩra kĩrore. Let me explain. Traditionally, before Western style writing was introduced to the Agikuyu, the agreements in the Gikuyu land were done orally, witnessed by elders, and involving other cultural rituals. But when written documents were introduced during colonial times, the Agikuyu people used their thumb to sign, and this is how they were doing it. The thumb would be dipped in soot mixed with oil, and the print was used on the document, and the fingerprint served as a person's signature. So that is why it's called Wekira Kirore. So we Wekira Kirore like that. But there are other words that are used for signature. There is Wekira Ruri and also Wekira Dairi. Sign Dairi. Now you know.